Oh yeah, it's a 3rd gen. Fixing on this one today, rear shocks. They're a little bit of a hidey spot. The underneath is easy to get to, but up inside the car, that's where everybody runs into trouble. They want to pop the hatch, pull off all the plastics. Happens all the time, but I'll show you how to do it, and there's no need for all that. Okay, we got the seat set down. That's what you want to do first. And everybody's thinking you want to pull this plastic all off to get to them. Don't do that. Lift your carpet up. Just pull it out slowly. Both sides, you can just pull it up. Then there's these little foam covers, and there you go. That's where they are on an 82 to 92 F-Body Camaro Firebird Trans Am. Do not pull the plastics out. You can lift this carpet up, and you can pull it out there. It's all exposed, nice to work on. I got the new shocks in there, so no need to pull all that plastic out to do these rear shocks. The bottoms are very easy, very simple. They're easy to find, easy to see. But these insides, they trick a lot of guys, and it is not hard to do. You just have to do that. Back seats all together, carpet's all down. That's what the end product looks like when it's all done, and the rear shocks are assembled from the top. And here's the bottom of the shock. It's really easy. You just undo that, then there'll be mounting hardware, and then you just put it up through the bottom into the spot of those towers up top behind that carpeting. And the rear shocks aren't bad. Besides that rear carpeting, it's kind of terrible to get back into place afterwards. Hope those couple tips helped you out as far as replacing rear shocks in a 3rd gen F-Body. Thanks for watching.